With less than a week left until the official reveal of the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is pulling out all the stops to build excitement. The buzz around these phones, running the new One UI 7.0, is seriously heating up. Just yesterday, some marketing posters for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra made their way online, and one of them even gave us a sneak peek at the new Now Brief feature in One UI 7.0. Samsung is clearly going all in to generate hype, and their latest teaser for the Now bar is a prime example. The teaser includes a coming soon tag, followed by the date January 22, 2025, the day the Galaxy S25 series will officially drop during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. So, what's the Now bar all about? This new feature will show up on your lock screen as a handy little hub for your most used apps and activities. The cool part is you don't even have to unlock your phone to use it. From this pill-shaped bar, you can control music, manage timers, and even use translation tools, all within arm's reach. Think of it as Samsung's answer to Apple's Dynamic Island, bringing personalized shortcuts that fit into your daily routine. Plus, it'll give you real-time updates from apps like Bixby, Samsung Health, and Voice Recorder, making your phone feel a lot more intuitive. On top of that, we've also got a look at some of Samsung's official Galaxy S25 cases thanks to a recent leak. A Thailand-based retailer accidentally posted and later removed a selection of cases, which include the usual suspects like a silicone case, a vegan leather case, and a standing grip case. Some new touches include a red color option and a clear side for the grip case. However, one case that's missing is the magnet case, which we've seen before, and it'll likely be marketed as Qi 2 ready to align with updated standards. Meanwhile, in the world of artificial intelligence, Samsung is bringing some serious upgrades to the Galaxy S25's notification system. First, the prioritized conversations. In this, the AI will smartly decide which conversations should take priority and push those notifications to the top of your list. Next, the summarized notifications. In this, the AI will give you quick summaries of messages right in the notifications. And last but not the least, the automatic grouping. In this, the AI will group notifications from the same source together, keeping things tidy. We're not sure if you'll be able to opt out of these AI features just yet, but it's likely Samsung will give you some extra control in the Galaxy Eye settings menu. The Galaxy S25 series will be the first to ship with One UI 7 right out of the box. Beyond the AI features, it'll also come with an upgraded Bixby assistant that's got some advanced natural language processing under the hood. Samsung teased some of these capabilities in a short video yesterday, so we're excited to see how they all work in action. Some of these new AI features could be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 at launch, but might roll out to more devices later in 2025, so we'll see how that plays out. Right now, Samsung is offering exclusive bonuses for anyone who reserves a Galaxy S25 ahead of time, so if you're planning on picking one up, that might be worth checking out. The big reveal is coming on January 22 at Galaxy Unpacked, so mark your calendars. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.